Hi, welcome to Nomis Academy. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to solve differentiation using the quotient rule. How to solve differentiation using the quotient rule. By formula, what does the quotient rule say? Quotient rule says the y dx is equals to v du dx minus u dv dx all over v squared. So this formula is the quotient rule. This is what the quotient rule is applied to do. This is why, because y, v and u, or y is a function of v and u, where v and u is a function of what? Function of x. So you can see x appear for v, x appear for u as well. So if they are both divided, that is, if they are both in quotient, that we have dividend and divisor, so we will say that we use quotient rule. Compare this with the product rule when they are multiplied, but in this case they are divided. So let's take an example to see where one term or one variable divide another variable of such that they are both function of x. How can we solve it, or how can we find the derivative of such variables? So let's get into an example. Example number one. Example one says find the derivative of y when y is equals to 3x plus 1 all over 2x minus 1. So you can see 3x plus 1 is divided by 2x minus 1. So writing in this form suggests that quotient rule is the best to solve this differentiation question. So let's get into the solution to tell what to do. Remember, this upper part or numerator is the u, and this denominator is your v. So you can be able to interpret this question back into the formula dy dx. So without wasting our time, let's find the u dx, all these parts of the formula that we need to get the y dx. Let us begin to solve them one after the other. So the first thing, we need the u dx. So let's get the u dx done. The u dx. Now what is our u? Our u is 3x plus 1. So 3x plus 1, and that becomes, when you differentiate 1, it gives you 0, right? So plus, what if you differentiate 3x? So 1 here comes here, 1 times 3, 1 times 3, the x raised to the power of 1 minus 1 is 0. So 3x raised to the power of 0 is 3 raised to the power x raised to the power of 0 is 1. So 3 times 1 is just 3. So the u dx is equals to 3. Now let's find the value of the v dx. Remember what our v is, 2x minus 1. The v dx, 2x minus 1. So if you differentiate 1, you will have 0. If you differentiate 2x, you will have 2. So this is 2 minus 0. So this gives us 3, and this gives us 2. Now what else do we need from the formula? We need v squared. So v squared should be 2x minus 1 squared. So that will be 2x minus 1 multiplying 2x minus 1, and that gives us 2x times 2x, that will be 4x squared. 2x minus 1, or multiplied by minus 1, gives us minus 2x. Minus 1 multiplied by 2x gives us another minus 2x. Minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 gives us plus 1. So with this, we have 4x squared minus 4x plus 1. So this is what we have as our v squared. So let us now combine them together to find our dy dx. So the y dx is equals to, don't forget, v multiplied by the u dx. What's our v? V is 2x minus 1. So 2x minus 1 multiplied by du dx. What's our du dx? Du dx is 3. So multiply by 3 minus u multiply by dv dx. What's our u? Our u is 3x plus 1. 3x plus 1. Then our dv dx is equals to 2. Multiply by 2 all over v squared. What's our v squared? 4x squared minus 4x plus 1. 4x squared minus 4x plus 1 plus 1. So when we open this bracket, 3 multiplied by 2x, we are going to have 6x minus 3, because 3 multiplied by minus 1 is, so minus 3x multiplied by minus, that will be minus 3x minus minus 1. This multiplied by 2, so that gives us 6x minus 3, then minus 6x minus 2. So 6x minus 6x, that gives us 0, right? So we are left with minus 3 minus 2, and that gives us minus 5. So everything at the top gives us minus 5 all over 4x, 5 all over 4x squared minus 4x minus 4